human decision required.
August 2008, Iconic Replicas Limited launched its latest signature series Eagle model. The Freighter Eagle, or Cargo Eagle as it was known in the TV series, was a 23-inch model that came with a certificate signed by the series creator Jerry Anderson. As with all the signature range, it came with an acrylic cover and base. The model also featured a magnetic winch assembly and nuclear waste can. Unfortunately, the winch assembly was not supplied with a magnet and the can cannot be attached to the winch. This Eagle variant model was also limited to 200 units. Iconic Replicas was the new name for Product Enterprise, having changed its name in March 2007. Iconic Replicas Limited was finally dissolved as a business in June 2010. This, however, was not the end of the story. In 2004, the same people from Product Enterprise established a new business, 1612 Production Limited. This was renamed in April 2008 to 1612 Collectables. 1612 Collectables are producing a new range of model variants for the Space 1999 series. This model also came with the chrome-plated engine bells with internal baffle plates. The command module nose cone can also be removed to expose the two Eagle pilots. I think this is a great looking model and complements the signature series really well. Even though this isn't my favourite model, I think it's very difficult to beat the Laboratory Eagle. I hope you will join me again when I have a look at the other models in the signature series.